Assalamu alaikum. This is Kulsum Zehra, your mentor for the course of English Grammar. In this lecture, we'll learn the past continuous tense. A past continuous tense is used to describe an action that begins in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. So this tense basically describes an action or an event that happened at a specific time in the past, but the action is not happening at the time the sentence is being said or written. For example, yesterday Karen and Jim played tennis. They began at 10 o'clock and finished at 11:30. So at 10:30 they were playing tennis. It means that at 10:30 they were in the middle of playing tennis and had not finished playing. The structure of an affirmative past continuous sentence includes a subject, was, were, plus verb, plus ing, plus object. For example, he was waiting or they were waiting. Similarly, the negative past continuous sentence has a structure which includes a subject, was, were, plus not, plus verb, ing, plus object. For example, he wasn't waiting or they were not waiting. Similarly, an interrogative past continuous sentence includes was, were at the beginning of sentence followed by a subject, a verb, and an ing and an object. For example, was he waiting or were they waiting? In the same way, a negative interrogative past continuous sentence starts with was, were, plus subject, plus not, plus verb, plus ing and an object. For example, was he not waiting or were they not waiting? Sometimes we use a past simple and a past continuous tense together to say that something happened in the middle of something. For example, made phone while we were having dinner. The first part of this sentence is past simple while the second part is past continuous. It shows that when we were in the middle of having dinner, made phoned. Similarly, it was raining when I got up. You were reading a book when I saw you. I hurt my back when I was walking in the garden. In all these examples, there is one part of past indefinite and the other part is of past continuous to show that when something was happening, something else happened. Let's compare a past continuous and a past simple tense. While a past continuous tense denotes that we are in the middle of an action, the past simple tense shows a complete action. For example, I was walking home when I met Dave, or in past simple we can say I walked home after the party. Similarly, Kate was watching television when I arrived. In past simple tense, we'll say Kate watched television a lot when she was ill last year. Other examples include when Karen arrived, we were having dinner. This means that the speaker had already started the dinner before Karen arrived, while when Karen arrived, we had dinner. This means that when Karen arrived, the speaker then started the dinner. There are certain verbs like no, want, etc. for which we cannot use a past continuous tense. For these tense, we used a past indefinite tense or a past simple tense. For example, we were good friends, we knew each other well, but we cannot say that we were knowing each other. Similarly, I was enjoying the party, but Chris wanted to go home. We cannot say Chris was wanting to go home. Thank you so much. For more videos, do subscribe the channel.